students in grade 8. Today we have new lesson. Our lesson today is chapter 11, lesson 4, solving inequalities. Before we start our lesson, I just want to make introduction to the inequalities. We took it before or in previous years. We need to know more about it. Okay, so what is inequality? Inequality is a statement that compares two expressions by using one of the following symbols: bigger than, smaller than, equals or bigger than, equals or smaller than, or not equals. That means that the two statements, or when we compare the two numbers here and here, they are not equals. Okay, so we have the symbol. This one, it means is less than, fewer than or blue. This one is greater than, that's mean more than or above. This one is less than or equal to, that's mean at most or no more than. It's greater than or equal to, and this is mean at least, no less than. Okay, if we have inequality and this one contains a variable, so this is, we call it algebraic inequality. The value of the variable that makes the inequality true is a solution of the inequality. Okay, so we have solution set. What is solution set? It's an inequality may have more than one solution. Together, all of the solution, we call them solution set. So when we graph, okay, the solution, we will have in number line, the variable is greater than or less than a number. So we'll come to the number and circle it. Then we will go to greater than or less than. Like this one, we have open circle on 5. That means 5 is not with us. The solution, maybe it's 5.1, 5.11, 5.2, 5.3, but not exact 5. Okay? So here, A is greater than 5, so the open circle showed that 5, it's not a solution, but any number more than 5, it's a solution. Any number means 5.1, it's a solution. We came here and remove A and put 5.1, so 5.1, it's a greater than 5. This is clear. 5.01, it's also greater than 5. So any number more than 5 but not exactly 5. That is the mean of the open circle. That's the mean of the open circle. The closed circle here, it's mean that the 3, it's a solution with us. And any number below it, it's also a solution. I have here B smaller than or equal to 3. So this one means smaller than or equal to 3. So B, if it's B equals 3, so it's 3 is a solution. So 3 is equals to 3. Okay, any number below 3 or any number smaller than 3, it's also a solution. If I have 2.999, it's also a solution. If I have 2, it's a solution. 1 is a solution. Okay? Now we come to a compound inequality. This one, it's combined two inequality together. Okay? The words and, or. The words and, or are used to describe how the two parts are related. So I use two words, and or. So and, or. These two words, and, or. This is describe how the two parts are related. If I have x greater than 3 or x smaller than -1, so what we will do, we will first, x is either greater than 3 or less than -1. -2 is smaller than y, and y is smaller than 4. Okay, so y is both greater than -2 and less than 4. Y is between -2 and 4. You will understand it when we come to draw it, okay? So the compound inequality -2 smaller than y and y smaller than 4 can be written as -2 smaller than y smaller than 4, all as one sentence. Okay? So we have new vocabulary today. Our new vocabulary is inequality, algebraic inequality, solution set, compound inequality. That clear? Let's start. We need to write inequalities here. Write an inequality for each situation. There are at least 15 people in the waiting room. At least 15 people, okay? So, at least means greater than or equal to. So maybe they are 15 and more. They are not less than 15. How I know that? They just go and look at the room. They saw most of the chairs are full. So that means that we have 15 chairs. So at least 15 people in the room, because all the chairs are full and we have 15 chairs. So that means at least 15 people, because we have more people are standing. How many people are standing? I don't know. I did not count exactly the number in the waiting room. Number in the waiting room, it's coming out, it's coming up and down because people are going, people are coming. So it's not a fixed number. So 15, it's not my fixed number, but it's at least a number, okay? It means that the number of people will be greater than or equals to 15. The tram attendant will allow no more than 60 people on the tram. So here in the tram, we cannot put more than 60 people. So 60 people is the biggest number I can reach. I cannot go more than 60. So 60 is the greatest number I can reach, okay? So no more than means less than or equals to, okay? So we have number of people will be smaller than or equals to 60. 60 is the maximum number. I cannot have 60.1. I cannot have 61. I have only 60 chairs, so only 60 people can be joined to the tram, okay? More examples. Now we come to graph the inequality, okay? So let's graph a sample inequalities. If I have n smaller than 3, so draw an open circle at 3. The solution are values of n less than 3. So shade to the left of 3. I have here the number line. I will come to 3 and make open circle. Why open circle? Why I made open circle here? Because why I make open circle? Because here we don't have equals. It's only smaller than, no equals. So the circle will be open. After that, I will draw a line smaller than 3. Okay, I will draw a line or shade to the left of 3. Left because it's less than. Question B. A is bigger than or equals to -4. So I will draw a closed circle. Why closed circle here? Why closed circle? Because here I have equals. Bigger than and equals. Okay. So I make my number line. I will go to for -4 and draw closed circle. Closed circle. Then I will draw a line or shaded all the numbers are greater than from 4. I will draw or shaded all the numbers it's greater than 4. Any number greater than -4, it's a solution here. Maybe 6, maybe 7, maybe 8. It's going on, okay? I have a compound inequality. Let's draw a compound inequality. It's just a little harder, so let's see how to do it. If I have m, it's a variable. I don't know what this variable is. So I have m, it's smaller than or equals to -2. Or m, it's bigger than 1. First, I will graph m smaller than or equals to -2. I will graph this first. I have a number line. I will go for -2 and draw a line. Here the circle is closed. Why is the circle closed? Because I have here equals. I have here equals. So the circle is closed. The circle here is closed. So I make close the circle on 2, and then I will shade a line smaller than the -2. Where is the numbers smaller than -2? It's -4, -6. I will go to the left. So here my arrow will go to the left, or I will shade all the numbers going to the left. Then let's draw or graph m bigger than 1. M bigger than 1. Our number line, I will go for 1 and draw. I will go for 1 and draw open circle. Why open circle? Because here it's without equals. So 1 it's not with us. All the numbers bigger than 1 and 1 not with us. I will shade here all the numbers bigger than 1. Let's combine these two graphs. Now we will combine these two graphs. Okay, we have here one number line from -2 smaller, from 1 open circle bigger. So we have, this is the set of solution. That's clear. Let's go for example. Write an inequality for each situation. There are at most 10 gallons of gas in the tank. It means that no more than 10. Most here means it's less than or equal to 10. 10 is the maximum number I can reach. 10 is the maximum number. No more than 10. 10 is the maximum number. Okay? So gallons of gas will be smaller than or equals to 10. Maybe 1, maybe 0, maybe 2, maybe 3. Okay? Question B. There is at least 10 yards of fabric left. 10 yards of fabric left. Okay? So, what's the meaning of at least? At least means greater than or equals to. It will be yards of fabric more than or equals to 10. Let's graph these two questions. P, it's smaller than or equals to 2. Draw our number line. Okay. First, we will draw our number line. We will go for 2 and draw closed circle. Why closed circle? Because here it has equals. So equals, it's come for closed circle. Then we will shade all the numbers smaller than 2. Okay, smaller than 2. All the numbers smaller than 2. Or our line will go to the left. Here we have E, it's bigger than -2. What we will do? We will draw first number line. We will go for -2 and draw open circle or closed circle. We will draw open circle. Why it's open circle? Because this one, it's without equals. It's only bigger than -2. And bigger than, it means we will go to the right. We will shade all the numbers going to the right. Okay, so we will chat all the numbers going to the right, or we will draw a line going to the right. So from -2 and -2, it's not with us. -2, it's not a solution, and all the numbers are greater than -2, it's a solution. Let's draw a compound inequality. We have 5 bigger than g and g bigger than or equals -2. We will take it as two parts. We have one part is 5 bigger than g, and another 5 is g bigger than or equals to 3. Let's take it. First, we will graph 5 bigger than g. Okay, go for 5 and draw open circle or closed circle. We will draw open circle. Then we will go to left or right. We will go to left because g here, it's smaller than 5. Okay, g, it's smaller than 5. 5 is bigger than g, means g smaller than 5. So I will go to the left. Take the second part. G bigger than or equals to -3. So I will go for -3 and draw closed circle or open circle. I will draw closed circle because here we have equal. So closed circle on -3. Then I will go to right or left. I will move to right because it's bigger than. Let's compound the two graphs. Here have number line. We will go to 5 and draw line. We will go to 5 and draw open circles. We will go to -3 and draw closed circle. Then the set or the numbers between 5 and -3 is a solution. So here from 5 I'm going to the left, and from -3 I'm going to the right. I cannot take 6 in this equation. I cannot take -4. Why I cannot take -4? Because -4, it's not working with g bigger than or equals to -3, and 6, it's not working with g smaller than 5. So how it will be 6 and it's only smaller than 5? Okay, so our set of solution will be only this part, from 5 to -3. Our solution will be from 5 to -3 only, and 5, it's not a solution because it's open circle, and we put it open circle because here we have 5 bigger than g without equals. At the end, wait for next video to solve our